Skin code processing is to recognize the local processing files by scanning barcodes on the material, and quick start for processing for large batch mix production and quick processing of small batch orders. Skin code processing is specially characterized by high efficiency. This video introduces the skin code function in new RDWorksV8. For applying this function, QR code is required on the material. Use the built-in QR code function in graphics software, or upload the file to a third platform for QR code generation. Take Arrow the processing file as an example. Make a QR code out of this file, and then print it on the material surface. In Mark Point Positioning, click Other Settings. Camera Auto Scan, Scanning Gun, and manually specified files are available. Users can select the scanning method flexibly as required. Camera Auto Scan uses cameras for barcode recognition and mark point positioning markings, and auto compensation of material offset and deformation. Then start cutting after correction accordingly. Scanning Gun means to start processing after barcode recognition with scanner. Manually specified files refers to manually select the local processing file. Take Camera Auto Scan as an example. Click to enable auto start after scanning. Select Advanced Settings. Scan code processing is actually the barcode recognition of local files, and quick start for processing. So processing file is required on the computer. Set the corresponding graphics folder path in software. Select code type and set stabilization time. Stabilization time aims to reserve time for stability after the camera moves. Set it as required. Generally, it's 200 milliseconds. Set a larger value when the inertia of motion axis is strong or under large vibration. Enable Set Mark. Set the parameters as required. First mark point to graph is for settling the first mark point position on the graph, so as to generate mark point list and determine the processing graphic. Here we select upright. Fill in the actual value in mark point size. Limit mark margin is used to limit the range where mark points are located, to prevent similar graphics from misrecognition. Here we can see the outer frame as mark points and inner frame as graph. The distance between them is the mark margin range. Select and set the range. The software will search mark points within the range. Mark point offset is used to determine the distance between the first mark point and barcode. Enter the actual offset between them. We can get it by calculating their coordinate difference. Now move the camera above the QR code to read the coordinates. Likewise, get the coordinates of the first mark point. Get the offset by subtracting the former coordinates from the latter one. If there are fixed positions for both processing material and barcode, enable skin code at specified location. Move the camera to where the barcode locates to read the X to Y coordinates. After that, the camera will move to this position for scanning and processing. Now move the camera above the QR code. Select Set Start Point. Click Start. The software will recognize the QR code automatically and then start processing. Skin code processing makes your production more flexible.